In today's video, I'll walk you through how to change the meeting organizer or owner in Microsoft Outlook. This can be confusing at first because Outlook doesn't offer a direct button to switch organizers. The good news is, there's a simple workaround you can use to keep your meetings running without issues. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook website. Once the page loads, click the Sign In button. You'll be taken to the login screen, where you need to enter your email address and password. Double-check your details, then click Next to continue. After signing in successfully, you'll land on the Outlook dashboard. From here, look at the top left corner of the screen and click the calendar icon. This will open your calendar and show all your scheduled meetings and events. Now here's the important part to understand. Outlook does not allow you to directly replace the meeting organizer. While this can be frustrating, there is a reliable way to reset the meeting ownership. The current organizer must first cancel the original meeting. To do this, locate the meeting that needs a new organizer in your calendar. Click on the event to open its details. Then, choose the option to cancel or delete the meeting. This step is essential, as it clears the way for the meeting to be recreated under a new owner and avoids any duplicate or conflicting events. Once the original meeting has been canceled, the new organizer can take over. The new organizer should go to their own calendar and create a new meeting using the same details as before. This includes the meeting title, date, time, and participant list. By creating the meeting again, the new person automatically becomes the organizer and gains full control over the event settings and updates moving forward. Following these steps ensures a smooth transition of meeting ownership in Outlook. While it takes a few extra steps compared to a direct transfer, this method keeps everything organized and avoids confusion. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes managing meetings in Outlook easier for you. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more tutorials like this.